In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up 301 redirects using page rules in Cloudflare. If you're looking to seamlessly redirect traffic from one domain to another, whether you've rebranded, changed your website's structure, or simply need a clean and efficient way to guide visitors to the right place, this tutorial is for you. A 301 redirect ensures that users and search engines are automatically forwarded to your new website while preserving your SEO rankings. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. To get started, log in to your Cloudflare dashboard and locate the DNS tab. This is where you'll configure the domain settings necessary for the redirect to work. Once you're in the DNS tab, look for the option to add a new record. Click on Add Record. For the next step, you need to specify the type of record you're adding. From the drop-down menu, select the option that says A. Now, in the name field, enter your old domain name. For example, if your old domain was olddomain.com, type that in exactly as it appears. This step is crucial because it tells Cloudflare which domain you're working with. Next, in the content field, you'll need to input an IP address. For the purposes of this tutorial, enter 192.0.21. This serves as a placeholder IP address, which essentially points the domain somewhere without causing any disruptions. Before moving forward, take a moment to ensure that the orange cloud icon next to your new record is illuminated. This indicates that proxying is enabled, which is necessary for the redirect to function properly. Once everything looks good, click Save. That completes the DNS setup, so now it's time to move on to creating the actual redirect. Next, navigate to the Rules tab on your Cloudflare dashboard. You'll find it in the main menu, and this is where we'll set up the page rule that performs the redirect. After entering the Rules tab, click on the option labeled Page Rules. Once you're in the Page Rules section, you should see a button that says Create Page Rule. Go ahead and click on it. Now it's time to configure the rule. In the URL field, enter your old domain name followed by a / and an asterisk. For example, you'd type olddomain.com *. The asterisk is a wildcard that ensures all pages from your old domain will be redirected, not just the homepage. After entering the URL, move on to the Rule Action section. From the drop-down menu, select Forwarding URL. This tells Cloudflare that the purpose of this rule is to forward traffic. Next, you'll need to choose the type of redirect. Select 301 Permanent Redirect as the status code. A 301 redirect is ideal because it's permanent, which helps with SEO by signaling to search engines that the old domain has moved to a new location. Then, in the destination URL field, enter your new domain name. Make sure to include https://www. At the beginning, followed by your new domain, and add /wall at the end. For example, if your new domain is newdomain.com, you'd type https://www.newdomain.com/1. The /wa ensures that subpages from your old domain map directly to the corresponding subpages on your new domain. Once all the fields are filled out, review your settings to make sure everything is correct. When you're confident everything looks good, click Save and Deploy. Congratulations! You've successfully set up a 301 redirect using Cloudflare's page rules. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.